power increase. 844. Woo, that torque is crazy. And that's the first hit on the nitrous, y'all. Dialed in, y'all. 862, 936 on the torque. Y'all see how smooth that grab getting? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Saucing her down. And I gotta let y'all know, this ice tank right here and the chiller is doing real nice. Real nice. What the IATS looking like after that hit, Bo?
It started at 72 degrees.
Whew.
And then you have to pull 102.
Man, see, that chiller working, man. That chiller is working. I ain't gonna sit here and lie. I stand by. Y'all see that killer over there too? Yeah, y'all see that? Yes, sir. I love when it purge. I love when it purge. But y'all see Matt getting the old record holder Rango together. About to have that glass pack 10 on there. Tulo getting stuff ready to ship off and everything, man. We staying mega busy. Y'all know Toro working on the Jeep. Y'all already know about that killer getting the refresh and everything over there. So definitely gonna have some timeline footage for y'all on that. So y'all stay tuned for all that. Yes, sir. Shop. 915, 996 on the torque. Sauce is activated. Yes, sir. Woo. Oh yeah, Jerry gonna be happy. Jerry gonna be happy. Jerry, you watching this? Comment right now with a big smile emoji if you happy. You feel me? Yes, sir. Big sauce activated. I know you going to the track. So we need them ETs on this thing, man, when you go ahead and hit that track. For sure. For sure, for sure. Let's see what we got Toro up in here doing. You all good, bud?
Yeah, I'm all good.
My man, y'all see getting that fuel system together for him, man. Woo-wee. That Maggie talking gang. Alright, y'all, man. We got us a 392 with a cam in there. Satera sauced up with our flex fuel on there. They've been dialing this thing in, so I'm down here on the last hit. It's full of E85, so it should be the big number, y'all. So that's all. Eat our popcorn and watch this movie. Show y'all these numbers. What y'all think? What y'all think it made? What y'all think it made? Let me stop holding y'all back. Yes, sir. Damn that 500, man. 499 on the horsepower, 499 on the torque. And y'all see, I'm gonna go ahead and post these this dyno sheet so y'all be able to see it and see the gains from when it was stock. Or we could just go ahead and look at it now, I guess. You know what I'm saying? Because the beginning number was stock. The second one, which is the blue one, was once it was cammed on 93, and then the green and the yellow one is E85 with the cam and everything. So you say what's limiting him is injector.
Yeah, he's this is a classic combo of a 392 run-in Hellcat injectors. They don't have the same fuel system. Fuel pump's different, fuel line's different, so even though a Hellcat can make 600, 650 to the wheels on them, with the lack of fuel pressure and fuel line, this is where it's capped on E85, so he's at 99% duty cycle, so.
Oh yeah, he maxed out
yeah,
pretty much.
Yeah, sure is.
Well, he's nice and rowdy, and he's set to rock and roll, y'all. Sauced up, drivability next, and man, I mean, he on his way, man. Y'all see the type of time we coming on, man. Cam 392, 500 to the tie. Y'all want 500 to the tie, there y'all go. But man, look how wet Matt got this truck. I don't even know what process he. Matter of fact, let's move on over here and holler at him one time, y'all. Let's go ahead and holler at Matt one time because this thing is a mirror, and I don't even want to be in a mirror right now. Man, what process? What you done did on this thing, bro?
All right, so this one is actually my own truck. Saw something online. I wanted to try it out before I tried it on the customer's car. It's a 3-step process, pretty much. The normal buff, the normal polish. But the wax I'm applying is actually buffed into the paint instead of just wiped on and wiped off. It's actually buffed into the paint, so it gets in there deeper. Seems to be a little thicker too, so it might even last longer. So we'll see how it works. So far, I like what I see. I did one quarter panel, my back quarter panel entirely so far. It's looking good, so just got to finish up the rest of the truck. Gonna finish the whole thing tomorrow. Hopefully everything will just have it shining.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Y'all know I'm gonna get it on here. We're gonna get us a nice little clip of this juicy thing once he go ahead and finish it all the way up, man. But shop flow staying full alive in effect. If y'all had saw the teardown on that, yes, sir. If not, link to that video will be in the description. And y'all know Toro working as usual, man. What you got going on up in here, man?
Another fuel system.
Knocking it. Custom one now too, right?
Every single one is custom. What do you mean?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. With that Toro touch, tell him, boy. Yes, sir. But yeah, man, that's how we move it and groove it along with the shop. We got turbo builds getting done up over there as well. So y'all just stay tuned for the whole video. Like, share, subscribe. Let's get it.
The next day.
Another day, another dollar, man. Y'all see how we moving and grooving today. Let's check in on Toro, see what he looking like, man. Know he rocking out on this fuel system. How you looking up in here, man?
Take a peek.
Ooh, let's see if we can see some. Okay. Okay, wired all up, ready to rock and roll then, huh? For the most part.
Yep.
That's what I'm talking about. Nice clean install on this Ram. So we bop on over here and show y'all, man, cause who knows? This might be a TRX killer. You know what I'm saying? Rocking this Whipple on this thing that he got that fuel delivery. It's time to go ahead and turn on up and see what she got. Well, let's go ahead and see what we got Tulo over here doing. What you got going on, man?
Pulling the heads to see how much damage that caused.
Ooh, wee. Now this is a definition of holy moly. Donut shop for real. That thing is open.
She's cooked.
Yes, sir. So new motor will be installed. Heads got to get sent out to porting. So y'all know Tulo knocking this thing out, getting it all suited and booted so we can send them on out, man. So y'all just watch the whole process. Let's go.